Hey folks, ET here, coming at you with the next portion of our new Crash Course series, which is Profit. Profit's pretty simple. Future sentiment based on price action and options flow data. Just going to show you a couple of easy clicks here as we go along, things that we can look for. Number one, those watch lists we made. Oh, look at that. So simple. We can pull up any watch list we want and we can see the information from that. So my random watch list has a bunch of different things in it. We can sort of start to see bearish and bullish things. What we don't want to see is something that's appearing both bearish and bullish all of the time, because that can get a little bit confusing. But if you start to see a trend, then maybe you know it's time to long or short. For now, we're going to remove that list and just get our entire list going. And we're going to look for things that have bullish price action, all right, bullish options AI, and high relative volume. That shrinks our list down a little bit. So now what we're seeing is the confidence, right? The confidence of the AI of a move upwards, and we're starting to see bullish price action and bullish options AI on these things here. So these have been whittled down to 4 tickers. Not too bad, to be honest, right? From here, we can check their support resistance levels, which we've been through in other videos. We can go to the charts page for sure, check their support resistance, their dark pools. We can check all of that information, their gamma, to see if there's anything that's popping up. We can check their net flows there individually. We can see their seasonality. That charts page is real powerful. So once you've come here and you've drilled down a little bit, then what you start to do is go draw out your levels and decide what you're looking for. You can go to its options page. You can check its OI. You can see if the whale timeline's showing anything specific as they go along. So it's a very, very, very simple tool to use to just go through and kind of find some place to start sorting through stuff. Sort of a scanner almost, even though it's not listed under the scanners. So let's go ahead and just remove all of our stuff here. We're going to click reset. And we're going to see what happens if we start to look for bearish price action and bearish options AI. And let's say high confidence on this one as well. All right. So now what we're starting to see is a nice short list, not too short. We have a lot more bearish because we did have a little bit of a downtrend near the end of the week there. So we're starting to see some of those same things, and you can sort by volume or relative volume. You can sort by their percent chains, their confidence, of course. It's sorted by that automatically right here. So you're seeing that it's really saying SMCI is starting to look a little bit bearish, which is interesting, right? It's got some bearish price action, it's got bearish options AI, and it's pretty high confidence. So if we could also say put volume over call volume to whittle it down a little bit more. And here's what you'll start to see on some specific things. This Soxel here popped up in our repeat flow and our trading flow this week. So an interesting look there. This is a little bit shorter term, I think. Then nope, that's the exact cons, I do believe, or not the exact cons, but we did see this Soxel pop up. Now we watched SOX pop up, didn't we? Yes, we did. We watched SOX pop up as we went along. So that's a little bit different. All right, my apologies there. It was SOXX that was popping up, I believe, in all of those. So that's not true. ET lied to you just there for one brief second. Anyhow, but what we have done is whittled down high confidence things that have bearish price action and bearish options AI. And from here, like I said, the simplest thing that you can do is first go to its charts page, draw out its levels, start to look at where exactly it is on its daily time frame, some of its lower time frames, what its support levels are, what its resistance levels are, how close it is to all of those things. Then from there, draw out the dark pools, look at what those look like, check its seasonality to see if it's in a spot that's usually weak, then draw its gamma levels to see if those gammas line up nicely with support resistances, and from there you kind of start to build a plan to go short on these things if that's what you want based off this quick scan that Profit gave you. It's that simple, folks. Everybody have a good day and stay safe out there.